Hey guys, so today I have a pretty awesome acrylic bloom to share with you. If you've been following along, you'll know that I've been testing out new recipes for Bloom Cell Activator. If you're new to the channel, I'll link those videos in the description. So far we have 7 different mixtures to run tests on. Some of them have had better results than others, so I wanted to know what you guys wanted to see more of. After gathering a bit of feedback from the lovely folks on the Pour Painting subreddit, I have picked a few to run further testing on. Today I'm working with the Cell Activator mixture that has been lovingly named number 7. Alright, in this pour I'm using Lukas Cryl paints in fluorescent colors. I have fluorescent blue, magenta, lemon yellow, signal red, and green. Along with those I have a neon hot coral from Handmade Modern, a paint brand from Target, and neon purple from Deco Art. For the glow-in-the-dark paint and cell activator, I'm using Lit Glow Powder from Culture Hustle. Now, mix number 7 has officially become 3D cell activator in my mind. I have several examples using this mixture coming up because I've absolutely fallen in love with it. This activator doesn't use Floetrol. This mixture is a 1:1:1 ratio of Lukas Cryl Pouring Medium, Amsterdam Pouring Medium, and GAC 800. Along with that, add 4 drops of Minwax Pre-Stain. Mix it up real well and add your paint color of choice. Today I mixed in the Lit powder. Lit is a good one to use in blooms. The powder is super fine compared to some of the other ones that I've used, so it gets more evenly dispersed when mixed well. The cells that this mixture creates are unlike any that I've ever seen before. They have this 3D quality to them, and they vary greatly in size. It gives a really good mix of large and small cells. I'm not 100% sure what exactly is causing them to behave this way, but my results have been fantastic with it. On this pour, I wanted to get as much of the glow-in-the-dark element into the painting as possible. So not only do I have glow powder in my cell activator, I also have it as one of my paint mixes as well. As with the activator, just make sure that you stir it real well to get everything evenly distributed. If you stick around to the end, you will see the glow in action. The Lit powder glows a bright green, but you'll notice that some of it has an orange glow too. I didn't add orange glow in the dark to this. My best guess is that since the fluorescent paints are semi-transparent, the powder and the signal red mixed together to give off an orange glow. I have some other mixtures to work on to bring to you guys. There was interest in several that were featured along with this one in the Cell Activator Showdown. I'll be bringing you several more examples of this activator in action. From there, I will have some of the other mixtures from the Showdown to share with you guys. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe. I'll be sharing the ratios for all of the activator mixtures that I'm working on. The goal is to have a few different mixtures that will work for bloom pours. We all know that Australian Floetrol is the gold standard for cell activator, but I'm hoping to formulate some great stand-ins to share with you. Are you as pumped as I am about this new 3D cell activator recipe? Is this a mixture that you would be willing to try? What do you think of that fantastic glow? Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I respond to all of my comments, so if you have any questions, feel free to ask away. That's it for me. Don't forget to stick around until the end to see the fluorescent and glow-in-the-dark in action. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!